Preparations for maintenance.
Hello, I'm Mike. Today I will show you how to handle the inverter alarm 2051. The inverter generates a 2051 alarm possibly because the insulation resistance of the input to ground is too low when the device is running. Please take the following actions. Check whether the external cables are faulty occasionally. If the fault occurs occasionally, after the alarm is cleared, the device automatically recovers. If the 2051 alarm is frequently generated or cannot be cleared for a long time, check whether the resistance of DC to ground is too low. Before you start maintenance, power off the device. Remove the external cables. Turn the AC input switch to on. Measure the resistance between the negative and positive PV terminals and the ground respectively. If the resistance of DC to ground is less than 0.6 megaohm, contact technical support.